Xiaomi is taking a big step forward with the debut of the Chinese company in the United Kingdom. A year and a day after launching a range of products in Spain, Xiaomi's European foray is arriving in the UK, led by the flagship Android phone Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro and the opening of an authorized store in the Westfield shopping centre, London. Europe has proven to be very receptive to Xiaomi's high-specification devices at cutting-edge prices. The company has 10 stores in operation in Spain, expanded to France and Italy in May, and is now reaching one of the largest and most contested consumer electronics markets in the region. Xiaomi emphasized that its first store in the United Kingdom will not be just a pop-up store, and will not be there just to serve Mi 8 Pros. The Mi 8 Lite that accompanied the 8 Pro when it was launched in China in September will also make the trip, and Xiaomi plans to offer a wide selection of its ecosystem products, such as Mi Band 3, a Mi computer mouse, headphones, a laptop, a pen, several backpacks and suitcases, an electric scooter and a projector. The Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro is a device that gained some notoriety in its launch, mainly due to its appearance. On the front, its notch resembles that of the iPhone X, while on the back, one of the color options is a translucent cover that shows a set of smartphone components,